As you get older, when you've already faced many of life's battles and you aren't full of energy to face challenges as you once were, don't worry. We're going to make self-improvement easy. Transforming ourselves or improving ourselves. Yes, you heard right. You can transform yourself by doing small regular activities, no matter what your age is. So in this video you will learn 6 ideas to implement that can help you with your self-improvement. And I promise that in the end of this video, you will feel that I have learned something, which I implement a little bit also in my day-to-day life. I can change and improve myself. Don't miss the 5th idea, because that will be very important. So let's start. Here are some ideas you can implement for self-improvement. First, think positive. Start every day on a positive note. A small positive change in the way you talk to yourself can influence your ability to regulate your feelings, thoughts, and behavior. As per Daniel Goleman, author of Focus, The Hidden Driver of Excellence, states that the brain has heightened prefrontal activity and positivity, resulting in enhanced mental functions such as creative thinking, cognitive flexibility, and even faster processing. Positive emotions actually widen our span of attention, and it also changes our perception and focus on more of the we instead of the me. So when you wake up, be thankful for at least one thing. Then start to think about all the things you can accomplish. Don't be afraid to dream. Think of each new milestone as a new beginning. Positive thinking improves ability to think and analyze incoming data. Second is complete what you start. If you start something, it's important that you finish it. This looks very simple and silly. We think that it's obvious that whatever work we will start, it will definitely be completed. Let's say you are doing a small work like fixing fan or AC, light bulb, and there is no hurry or by when it has to be completed. I am sure this small work will take 2 to 3 days to complete. Reason being lazy, or no priority and no urgency. How to avoid delay. Set a goal to complete it from the day you start it. If you are reading a book, every day read a few pages. If you have chores to do, get them done early and you can enjoy the gratification for the job you did well. A famous saying from Gary Ryan Blair: what people remember is the beginning and the end. How we start, and how we finish. Therefore start fast and finish strong. Third, face your fears. We all like to stay in our comfort zone. Fear prevents you from doing things you would otherwise enjoy. Fear arises with the threat of harm, emotional, physical, or psychological. Facing our fears can be challenging. In fact, it can be terrifying. Relax and be calm. Take small steps to complete your fearful tasks. Every day, try to do something that makes you uncomfortable or fearful. This is a great way to push yourself to grow. There is a great saying from Nelson Mandela: the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Fourth is exercise every day. Aim to be physically active every day. As per BBC Science, focus exercise diverts blood from your liver and digestive system to your skeletal muscles. Hormones tell the body to convert fat into glucose, reduce the pain you feel, and improve your mood, so now it's time to experience them. Exercising will not only make you healthier and stronger, but it will also make you look good and feel good. Motivational quote: fitness isn't owned, it's rented, and you have to pay rent every day. 5. Read books on self-improvement. Reading books at home or while traveling boosts school performance for students and knowledge and skills for elders. It also increases vocabulary, raises self-esteem, builds good communication skills in you. You will gain great knowledge and grow when you read various books on self-improvement. You will get a different view of yourself. You will be able to take away things that can help you to improve yourself. Self-improvement books I prefer you should read: The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. 6th is Loose the Bad Habit. We all have a bad habit or two. There are things you engage in that are bad for you, like smoking, and there are people who bring out the worst in you. The time has come to let them go and to let those bad habits go. It can be overwhelming, so focus on one habit at a time. Make sure you begin to surround yourself with the kind of people that will bring out the best in you. Find friends that are healthy for you. Build a habit and make it a permanent lifestyle change. Apply 21/90ths habit rule. The 21/90ths rule states that it takes 21 days to make a habit and 90 days to make it a permanent lifestyle change. Now with this 6 ideas to implement that can help you with your self-improvement, I am sure you will bring some change in yourself by applying those in practical day-to-day life. Taking quick recap of this 6 ideas. 1. Think positive. 2. Complete what you start. 3. Face your fears. 4. Exercise every day. 5. Read books on self-improvement. 6. Loose the bad habit. Now if you like this video and knowledge shared in it, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for new video which coming tomorrow. Is coming tomorrow? Oh! Yes, it's coming tomorrow. Don't forget to answer this question in comments section. Which idea did you find is the best for you to implement for self-improvement? Hit the like button to motivate us to bring more knowledgeable videos like this, and do share your views in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.